Welcome to ClickAlgo Zen. This is your AI assistant for building cTrader trading tools. You can create automated strategies, custom indicators, trading panels, dashboards, and plugins, all without writing code. Let's get started. Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can create a Trend Exhaustion Detector indicator using Xen AI. The first thing you really need to do is define your user prompt, so your requirements for the indicator. In here, I've put down a little bit of a comprehensive list of requirements that I need. Now, if you are using Xen AI, I wouldn't put too many requirements because it could get confused. Start small like this and start adding features if you need it. This is pretty basic. Create a cTrader indicator called Trend Exhaustion Detector. The indicator should identify trends that may be near an exhaustion by combining momentum decay, weakening price momentum, average true range compression, contracting volatility, volume divergence, rising volume with fading price movement. Now, this indicator uses various formulas and other indicators to actually try and identify a true strong trend reversal when the trend's about to reverse. I've also got requirements down here that you can read. I would pause the video and have a look at this if you want to understand what's going on. But what I'm going to do is just copy all this text and I'm going to put that into the user prompt. But before I do, the first thing I'm going to do is select my model. I'm going to choose Claude Opus. I'm going to select build an indicator, the task, paste the requirements in there. I'm going to click send. This will go off to the AI model now and start building our indicator. Okay, so it's built our indicator. If you scroll up, you can see all the code that was created. It's also got an indicator description. It was 3 components of the indicator are momentum decay, measures how much current price momentum rate of change has weakened relative to its recent peak. Faster decay raises exhaustion. Average true range compression measures how contracted current volatility is relative to its recent range. More compression raises exhaustion. And a volume divergence, which measures rising relative volume combining with fading absolute price movement indicating effort with result. So it's quite a complex indicator. It's very useful for identifying when the trend's about to reverse. And you didn't have to write a line of code. It just did it for you. So if you're not a coder, it doesn't really matter. The next step is to verify the build. Make sure there's no code in the, no bugs in the code. And also down here it says test on the chart and adjust the look back periods and weights to suit your preferred symbol and time frame. So it's built okay, so there was no bugs in the code. If there were any bugs, you could just fix them here. It's pretty easy. So there's 3 ways to download the file. If you're a developer, then you can download the code, copy the code, put that into cTrader Algo or your code editor. You can download the CS file, or you can just download the Algo files. If you're a non-coder and you just want the indicator, click on download Algo, and then it will come up here and you just click on it and install. Once it's installed, it'll install it into cTrader. And once it's into cTrader, it will come up onto the chart similar to this. So this will be the indicator. This is the indicator, the Trend Exhaustion Detector indicator. And you've got the various formulas showing the histogram values. The red line here is obviously the threshold. This can be adjusted. So whenever it peaks above the threshold, it says the trend's about to change and it puts a spike here. So as you can see here, there was a trend change way before it even happened. You see there was a signal. There's one there and there's one there. You can adjust the parameters to actually show less spikes. It's easy to do. I'll do a separate video how to use the indicator. If I right click on here, you can look down here, all the values you've got, the 2 main values for this to adjust to this one and your weight. So you can change the weight to have less spikes. So you can do ATR weight of 3 or anything you want. So I'm not going to demonstrate how to use the indicator. I just wanted to show you how to build it. So this uses Zen to build it. And that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today, really. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks very much. Actually, before I go, I just wanted to show you that if you are interested in downloading the indicator from our website, you don't want to build it using Xen, you can actually visit us at clickago.com. Just type in Trend Exhaustion Detector Indicator, or just go Trading Tools, Indicators, under Trend. You'll find it here. And from the indicator here, you can just download it. It's free. We don't provide the source code, but you could get the source code if you use Xen. Xen also offers £5 of free credits when it costs maybe 50 pence to build this one using Xen. So you could also build it using Xen or just download it here. So if you want to download it, come to our website. It's got full details how to use the indicator. We're going to have a video showing you how to use it. And also we have hundreds of other indicators that you can download for free. Okay, thanks very much.